So, just trying to think where we should start.
Let's start with what happened.
The Susita, right? That was the first attempt at creating an
Yeah.
Israeli car.
From fiberglass.
I'm in Tel Aviv speaking with Orly Dahan, the executive director of EcoMotion, a community of over 600 transportation startups founded in Israel.
From fiberglass. Okay, so yeah, sounds like a bad choice right off the bat.
It became amazing camel food.
We're talking about the Susita, this sexy pickup truck looking thing that was the first and one of the only mass-produced cars to come from Israel. Although some say it was well made, the car had an extremely limited run. It's not clear whether or not camels actually ate chunks out of the fiberglass body, but secretly, I kind of hope that's true. 40 years after the Susita, entrepreneur Shai Agassi founds Better Place, a company that wanted to establish a network of battery swapping stations for electric vehicles across the globe. It went bankrupt just 6 years later. And for most Israelis, owning a car at all is completely cost prohibitive. According to a report by the Israeli Manufacturers Association, it costs almost 30% of the average salary to maintain a car in Israel. Despite all this, EcoMotion's main event in May is expected to attract 1,500 funders, entrepreneurs, and governments from all over the world.
You come from a military background. You worked in the Air Force, the Israeli Air Force. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Then you worked for a private aviation company managing their fleet. From there, you did an electric scooter startup, which you still drive one of them from the company you founded.
Of course.
Okay. And today you work for EcoMotion.
Yeah.
Can you just, in a nutshell, explain what is EcoMotion?
We started in 2012. We had about 87 startups back then. Today, the community has over 600 startups and 7,000 community members. There's also going to be a testing field to demonstrate.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's going to be real cool.
So you're having autonomous related companies bring their technology.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. We're working on having the first ever pizza delivery by drone in Israel at the main event. We're working very hard on that.
All right.
So we're in Tel Aviv to find out, how did a country with no car manufacturing industry, a subpar public transport system, and the same kind of crippling traffic you'd find in Los Angeles or New York emerge as an auto tech superpower?
Now the car is far more intelligent, and as we're moving into the autonomous world, we see that cars is now, it's 95% brain and 5% metal.
Do you think that Mobileye is a one-off?
There's value in technology coming from Israel, even for the automotive space.
And, more importantly, if a drone delivers your pizza late, do you have to tip?